Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll try to explain why you should choose Python as your first programming language. If you're a beginner trying to decide on a language to learn, then I hope this video will really help you out. There are so many great resources online that are trying to explain the same thing, but I thought, why not put out my quick take on the topic so that it can help someone make the decision. So here it is. I think you should look for three things in a language when trying to learn programming for the first time. So, what are those three things? First, it should be easy to start learning. If it's not easy to begin with any skill that you're trying to learn, then you lose motivation really fast and it will be really hard to stick to it. So, what characteristics make Python super easy to learn? Simple and very readable syntax. Python has a very English like syntax, which makes it very easy to remember and understand. You will find gibberish syntax as you will move forward to advanced concepts, but even then you will find that the syntax is very clear and very easy to understand. Python is a mature language and has a huge community to help you out. Python first appeared in 1991, so it's a very mature language with a huge online community surrounding it. So if you run into some issues in your learning path, you will definitely find a solution on Q&A sites like Stack Overflow. Python doesn't make it necessary to learn complex concepts to begin coding. Some languages like Java, although amazing language, require you to write even the simplest of code in an object-oriented setting. But that's not the case with Python. You can write just one line of code and Python won't have problem running it. You learn the simple stuff first and complex later as you go forward. There are so many other points which makes Python very easy to start learning, but I think these are some of the most important ones. Now let's move forward to the second point. Second, its concepts should be transferable to other languages. A lot of syntax and concept that you'll learn in Python, you'll also find in other languages that you won't have to learn again because you would have already learned them while trying to learn Python. Concepts like variables, conditionals, functions, loops, classes, and many more. Also, Python supports all three most used programming paradigms that are procedural programming, functional programming, object oriented programming, which you will find in other programming languages as well. And learning them early will make your life so much easier. Let's look at the third point. So, the third point is it should have good career opportunity. You'll be investing your valuable time in trying to learn this programming language, and it should definitely be of some demand in tech world. And Python is in so much demand right now. It's being used in web development, machine learning, data science, etc., and all other different areas. And I don't want to bore you by pulling some statistic. You can definitely search it online, but Python is one of the top 5 programming languages today when it comes to high paying jobs. So the point I'm trying to bring home is that if you decide to make a career in Python language, you can, and a very good one. And it's not just a toy language that won't be any useful to you in the future. There are amazing work being done with this language, and you can be the one to do that as well. So these were some points in favor of Python, which makes it a great first programming language. And there are other languages that fit these points as well. Choose any of them. Just pick one and start. Remember, whatever programming language you'll choose, once you learn that one, the next will be very easy to learn. And I really hope the language you'll choose will be Python. And thanks for watching. I'll be posting more videos in the future where I'll teach Python and other languages here. So don't forget to subscribe. And if this video helped you a little bit, then please consider liking and sharing it so that it can help others as well in making this decision fast. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.